I couldn't have picked a better day to visit Ménerbes. When I arrived, the weekly market was in full swing. The square was filled with locals, visitors, fresh produce, and the smell of coffee drifting through the air.
This is bruschetta? Yeah, this is the one I get. 你是水生吗？你是水生？Student?
Oh, yes.
水生吗？I'm trying to remember. Before I studied in Hong Kong. But then I practiced Chinese, then I went to Hong Kong, so it's Cantonese, so I forgot everything I practiced. Welcome, I'm gonna give you this one. Alright. This one is truffle garlic. You try. Because I know you might like truffles. This one, my friend, here is honey with a truffle. I put some good Mama Ching Chang. Mama Ching Chang. Ching Chang. 谢谢。
Here I tried the French twist. French women always know how to make themselves prettier. This isn't my first time in Ménerbes. There's something about this town that magnetized me and pulled me back. I even found a window filled with free books that anyone can take. A little thing that makes you feel like home. There's no big checklist for me today, no must-see spots. I'm just walking around and enjoying the village again. The streets are still as charming as I remember. Flowers spilling over stone walls, quiet little corners, and details you somehow missed the last time. What I like the most is the peacefulness that encompasses this town. Life just simply carries on here. It's quiet, it's slow, and every time I come back, it feels like a reminder to take things a little less seriously. After wandering through the streets for a while, I noticed a small church tucked away between the stone buildings. In front of a lovely shop stood a little black dog. He was so friendly and had such a French name. His name was Paul. He loved interacting people and to smile. I thought he was very cute. Inside the shop, every corner seemed carefully put together. I could have stayed here for hours. Handmade ceramics, vintage pieces, dried flowers, old wooden shelves. It felt less like a store and more like stepping into someone's beautifully curated home. I really love the atmosphere here. It's so poetic. Take this. As the day came to an end, the village seemed even quieter than when I arrived. The streets were empty. There's something about Ménerbes that makes you want to stay a little longer. Maybe it's the views, maybe it's the people, or maybe it's just the feeling that, for a few hours, time slowed down. As I made my way out of the village, one last scene seemed to sum up the day perfectly. Rows of lavender swaying gently in the breeze. Ménerbes is so special to me. I know I will be back.